guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Later in the day, make we come talk about the evil activities of this prophetess Grace. I don't want to call her prophetess Disgrace as a collaborator in the crime they call her, but I want to quickly use this medium to tell her, say, the evil act of this person, it don't take time where we say, I'll come out, go talk about her. I they watch all this while. I can remember vividly clear, say I do one broadcast after we call the beg. Say make a mommy love and not worry no quarrel. I remember quite well, say I did a video, say enter house. Not come they put yourself for this thing with the app for do cyberspace, which I don't say she don't put herself into it deeply. She be one of the evil manipulators on this Edo cyberspace where they prepare evil, coming out in disguise, say she be so-called woman of God. A so-called woman of God, prophetess Disgrace. Seriously, I'll be out for you today. All your evil acts, your evil atrocities that you'll be committing. Mommy love don't say bring them out. People never put voice to come show the world who you really be. But me and Omofuma will be coming out to put my voice on the line to show the world who you be. Prophetess Grace. Help me to share as we come. This is just a short one. When I reach house, I will continue. I greet you, my brother. I can see you. It's been a while. I've been so busy doing my thing on how to do it best. The hustle is real. We don't have to be here every time discussing shenanigans. But this one about prophetess Grace. Prophetess Grace. There will be no hiding place except when I want to turn Nigeria to Zoo Republic. That is when you go scot-free from the grievous allegations that has been brought to public domain, to public territory, that you're a party to go recruit, to gang rape and video. People they put her under the carpet. It's not worthy for people to speak about. I'll put my voice on the line. I'll put my voice on the line on this issue about you coming out to rape because the girl dates your husband or whatever. We thought that was all. You don't still let go. You go gang up with Atwari. You think you can use Atwari squad, Congo the GPC, they promote all those idiotic spicy gist. I hear you wa. Uhunda Atwari. Then they promote to your page. What they consign day and night. If you say you be prophetess, seriously, if you say you be prophetess, if you say our people not die, their brain cells never die. You say you be prophetess, a woman that has been asked for DNA for 3 years, she cannot produce. And there you go hide under. And there you say make they save you. You know, you never say you dey name much more name for your coffee. You dey put much more name for your coffee. Prophetess Grace. Yeah, I call you Grace for the now. Because your wahala, your disgrace too much. Your evil acts, where mommy love, they bring us small. As if you know anything near God, for don't honorably go hide, is shame. But the fact remains that you are evil, you are an epitome of evil, a proponent of evil. That's why you still come out to kind of show the buga, say you talk, you still get something of reckoning to savage, whereby you're supposed to go hide the shame. What you do now is to post those evil bloggers. You do it, promote them, because 12 are birds of likely minds, birds of the same flocks together. That's what you're telling us. Then you can't say you be woman of God. Next thing you go tell us, say Prophet Jeremiah and your father. And Omofuma is coming to beat you today. I will come beat you water. Who see? Who give? Who they here now? I beg share. And they can't put my face on the line to beat prophetess disgrace. She's an evil woman. There's no reason that woman would they call God. If that kind of woman feel they call God, people would rather serve Satan. People would rather call Satan God. If you exhibit yourself as a prophet of the words of God, say you be woman of God, then people just honorably they serve Juju now. That's what people are telling us. You they call yourself woman of God. The next thing they share actual videos on your page. You now become the everywhere in social media. The evil part, and then they see you. They prepare evil. Spicy gist blog. That one will be like toothpick. Evil children. Evil people. That's what you supporting. They prepare them. Because you be evil. You that can command armed robbers, your squad, to gang rape a small girl. You just say this thing will go down? Never. You want to just prepare me to come out. So I say, I know if you keep quiet again. Where you still go set up Apostle Casey. Apostle Casey himself is not the man of God. Let I quickly bring him out. Apostle Casey is not the man of God. For you to get him, he fought for it. It then means he's not the man of God. I go beat all of them together. You, Apostle Casey, our people should wake up from their slumber that you people are evil properness from the dark kingdom. You're not propelling the words of God. Then that you kind of make the real God's kingdom where they teach us what they grow up. Not being on the prepare these days. When they prepare every evil to salvage small thing to our pocket to come the domination when they speak for God, when they represent God. You people represent demons on earth. How can people go to church? How as I then I say I want to go to church, Apostle Casey go to preach. A man, a so-called man of God that can be coerced and weak by a small girl where we are in yash. How can be man of God? What legacy will they leave? It's so painful, my people. It's a brief one. Let me to share this thing. No matter what my battery is low, who they here, share it to who not they here, and they come back later. I just there so I can do one or two things. And they come beat Apostle Casey, and they come beat Prophet Disgrace, and they come beat Ayoyowa. And those spicy gist blog where they support evil. We'll not talk this way. Frank Victor is doing his best. I think they do his best. If they do his best, these people are evil. There's no sugarcoating the fact that these people are evil. They are evil. They need to be chased out from those cyberspace. Evil people. Support the next thing they go gang up. Cora or BD. They want to use Cora. Take on gay relevant because they know say a lot of our people are sick in diaspora here. A lot of them are sick. A lot of them are depressed. You think with your evil voice, now come supersede the voice of reasoning, the voice of wisdom? Obviously, no. It's not going to be possible, my people. Here's the paro. I never talk for some time. Just they look, huh? How come we come to this all-time low? Yeah, we coming through this hill, guy. It's a long time. They call Peter Tory again. The evil people. Thank God for you. Try to read comments. Okay, all the same. I'm not read the comments well, but obviously I will be out later. The fact remains I will be out later. Where I can't beat prophetess disgrace, an evil woman from the pit of hell. that a woman will rape another woman. Some evil women go to support her. She will come hide under Atuari. Atuari is condemned already. There's nothing she can do about it except God is dead. Now Atuari go take prevail for this Edo. It not be for Edo Sabbath on Edo or rather planet Earth. Make it support the evil Korabidi a billion times, but the fact remains that there must be people that will tally along bad things, evil things. They are Atuari and one of them. We know her for evil. For the fact that I have not been speaking about her doesn't mean I've relented in my struggle against her. I know say eventually the chicken will come to roost, karma will come to play. That's just my belief. And everything I still get, all my weapons. I not dispose them. They are still with me. Still very much with me. There is no time I will compromise the standard. Atuari is evil. Give us justice for J-Boy. Anything short of that, that evil prophetess disgrace, can they hide with you? Can't they use what they can gain momentum? One use they gain recognition, say you be Percy. Atuari is dead. My people, my battery don't finish. I'll be back later.